Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to hide SKU from your Shopify online store. So, if you are looking easy and fast video guideline, then you can continue this video. Here is my Shopify online store and I wanted to remove this field or this text SKU, that's mean stock keeping unit, from my online store. Okay, to do this, first I am going to my online store admin panel. Here is my store admin panel and I am going to click on the online store. Then click on the action button, select edit code from here. Now from the search field, I am going to type product, then open product slash template.liquid file under the section folder. So click on it to open this file. Now click Ctrl F from my computer keyboard, then find this line current variant dot SKU, and we can see here is the code that we are looking. So going to remove this code from here and click on the save. Okay, we have done. Now go to the front end of my website and refresh this product page. Our SKU has been removed, so it's super easy and fast. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.